And rough ends can be a little bit dry, so I usually mix a tiny little bit of serum into it. There we go. That sort of makes okay. What do you think? So we're going to set it this way. We're going to come back to your outfit. Make a little further. Really, my lovely. Thanks. Thanks, Jess. My lovely bottle, Sophie. This is my favourite colour of the day. This one wanting in the made in nothing. In all the chaos the last few days, I saw it and smiled at the thing. It's a beautiful, beautiful peach. And it was gorgeous also. I mean, Sophie came and had all the hair straight for us. Really? And when we were casting from overseas, I couldn't see the girl in person. And I thought, oh, I think there's a bit of wave in her hair. I really want to work with the girl. I think curl is so relevant and current at the moment. And particularly, the really nice thing I love is people getting back into natural curl. There's a few models on the runway that are sort of round, sort of full curly look, and also people work with this sort of type of natural curl. So I thought, no, I was trying to make it curly. So I've actually pre-cut most of Sophie's hair. What I've done for her is a slight disconnection through the sides here, just to get a little bit of shape through here, so I've kept that weight. I think this type of curl is not very strong. It needs a bit of length to get the movement, so I didn't want to lose the volume and length of the side, but I still wanted a little bit of shape. So just sort of shape in the back area through here, just to give it a nice little shape. And all I'm going to do is just do this, trim the fringe. The reason I want to do the fringe bit is because she has these amazing eyebrows, which I think look gorgeous, and I want to show those eyebrows. It's very Madonna 1980s, I think, and I think that sort of eyebrows are kind of short. So I'm going to put a bit of product on, and hopefully it won't take too long drying here. I'm using the curly twist. It's more of a jelly sort of style. And where's my cream? Use the curl control. So the curly twist will sort of gives it more of a gel, sort of a little bit crinklier feel. So if you put a little bit of curl control, it sort of dilutes that crinkliness and stops the fluffiness, so even through the fringe a bit. So I don't want it sort of chopped off brutally, but I still want to have that little bit of softness of the fringe on the top there. Okay, now I'll trim my fringe, then we can start drying. Actually, in fact, Aaron, maybe you could start diffusing that a little bit there for us. Now just really gently, it's fragile hair, okay, it's being peach, we want it to be nice, just push it in really nice.
Thank you.
I love it, love it. Don't blast the shit out of it.
Shave's known for running late constantly at work, so we've got all these little helpers fluffing about around him. And this is how he treats it.